Hi, I'm Nakia and welcome to my tutorial channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add material to this table. If you're back from watching the previous video, go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you won't miss an upload. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to watch the previous video to learn how to make this table. The link is in the description box. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is go up to Properties and hit Family Types. And now we're going to add the parameters for the materials. So we'll click New Parameter, and then we're going to create materials for the top of the table and for the legs. So let's start with the top. So type in top material, and then change this to material because it's a material parameter, and then hit OK. So now we want to add the leg material. Okay, and then change this to material as well. I hit OK. Okay, and then we can hit apply. Okay. And now we want to set the material. So for the legs, I'll go with wood. And then you want to load the material into the project and hit apply. And okay, and then for the top I would go with let's go with concrete, and then load that in, make sure you click it, hit apply, and okay. All right, and now we have our materials in. Apply, okay. So then to add those materials to the table, we'll click on the tabletop, and then you might want to click on categories, but you got to associate the family to the parameter in order for it to work. So you'll click right here to associate family parameter. And then we're going to go to top material. And then we hit OK to apply the top material. And there it is. So then for the legs, we'll do the same thing. Just click on the leg, and you can hold down Control to select more than one leg at a time. And then do the same thing. Go to associate family parameter and do leg material. And there you go. And that's how you add a material to a parametric family. In the next video, I'll show you how to load this family into a project. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more helpful tutorials.